Welcome back to Smart Auto Electrics. Today we're looking at a 2017 plate Skoda Superb with the engine management and EPC light on. I've already performed a scan of this vehicle, and as you can see on the diagnostic report there, you can see the throttle position sensor switch low input. It's quite a common fault on these 1.4 petrol engines, and I'll show you the offending part now. So the first thing you need to do is remove this pipe off the top. It's held on by clips, plastic clips either side, so be careful not to break those. And this is what's causing your problem. These are quite common to fail. So this one on this vehicle will need to be replaced. So we'll get that done next. So this is a pretty straightforward part to remove. There's 4 screws. Torx 30 bits holding the throttle motor in place, so you need to undo those, which I've already done, so it's nice and loose. You need to remove the electrical connector off the side, and then this unit should just lift out of there. Quite straightforward. And there we have it, one malfunctioning throttle motor. So we'll get the new unit fitted, and then I'll show you what we do next. So with our new throttle motor in place, we've fitted the Torx screws back in. You don't need to over tighten these, just nip them up, they're only going into plastic. And don't forget to transfer the plastic ring to the new part. It's worth mentioning that it is a lot better with these to use an OEM part, a decent quality one, than an aftermarket. Otherwise the likelihood is you'll be doing the repair again sometime in the near future. So now that's in place, we want to refit our boost pipe, which just slots into place via those clips. So just push that on, and the same for the bottom one, which is clipping on there. Make sure the clips lock in, make sure you hear the click from them so that you know that they're locked fully in place. There we go. And then obviously don't forget to plug back in your turbo boost pressure sensor. Now that that's done, we need to do the basic settings on this now so that that throttle motor works correctly. So I'll show you how that's done. So back inside the car and back to the diagnostic computer. We've got our ignition switched on, so we'll clear all the faults on there. There's a little message saying that the bonnet has to be open in some instances to work on these cars with the computer. So we'll OK that. So that's everything cleared on our computer. We're using IVS Fix, so we're going to go into basic adjustment, and then we're looking for the third option down, which is electronic throttle control. So now that we've got that on the screen, try and get a better shot of that view there. So we choose that, and now it'll take us through the next steps. So as you can see, we need the engine off, ignition on, so we'll OK that. Do we want to perform adaptation? Yes. And then we just follow the steps. So ignition off, OK that. And now through this process you'll hear the throttle motor working as the computer is setting the adaptations for the new part that we fitted so that it works correctly. So we'll just allow that to finish. Luckily it's not too long for this one, some take a bit longer. There we go, that one's reached the end, so ignition back on, OK that. Again the same message for the bonnet to be open. And that's the function complete, so now we'll come back and just check our fault codes, and that's it, everything's good. This one's ready to go back to the customer.